welcome back.
Hi.
Sarah, we're back at her house and we have, first of all, we want to introduce someone so we can let him down. This is my new grandbaby, Link.
This is Link. Say hi.
He don't want to be on camera. He's not like Buster. Okay, in today's video, we have several things planned for y'all. She's gonna show you a DIY. We're gonna show you a glimpse of her fall decor that you've started.
Yeah.
And she's gonna show you an item that she bought that you will not believe what she paid for it. So first of all, we're gonna do the DIY.
Yeah. So I bought this at Hobby Lobby on the spring line. I got it for 75% off, and I figured it would be cute with some flowers in it. So I just unscrewed half of this board. It lifted up.
Okay.
So
see what she's talking about. It had a piece that come over.
Yeah.
It was closed. Okay.
Yeah.
That's so smart to take that off.
Yeah. So
Girl.
and I just have a bunch of miscellaneous foliage. So I figured we could get started.
All right. So you just got a long
just
piece
a
of foam.
little small piece of foam.
Okay, and you just laid it in there. Okay.
Okay, so first I have these these are big, so I'm going to just put them like right here, all the way down, and kind of separate them.
Now, did these come from
I
Hobby
got
Lobby?
them at Walmart last year.
Okay. They're pretty.
Yeah. So I'm going to put one kind of in the front, tip one in the back, put this one through the back. And then I think I got this at Walmart as well last year. So I'm just going to stick it.
Recycling, huh?
Yep.
Last year's goodies.
Some big. I got these from Hobby Lobby this year.
I love those.
Really love these. There's really no right or wrong way to do this.
Yeah, you just want it to look wild, like it's just, yeah.
I got these from Hobby Lobby this year.
Those are cool.
Cute.
Are those like rubber?
Yeah, they are actually.
Huh.
Very cute. Let's see. I have another piece like this.
So you just kind of eyeball it as you go.
Yeah, basically. Some people ask me, how do you make all these centerpieces?
Just stick it in.
I just do it as I go.
See, you do like me. I don't like my stuff to look like
uniform.
Yeah, I don't like that. To me, I like it better when it looks like, oh wow, that just kind of like randomly grew there.
Yeah.
I love those. Those look so fall.
You just kind of
That's a good filler too.
Hang off the edge. These were like 90 cents at Hobby Lobby.
I love those colors.
Me too. And you kind of sort of put these in the back so that way it's not so bright in the front.
Yeah.
And you're kind of getting.
I see what you did there. Yeah, that looks good.
I love these. These are so pretty.
What are those called? Cattails?
Cattails, I think.
You would love those, Cat Mom. I love those.
Me too. These are so pretty.
Those look so real.
I love them.
That's the leaves that we get here.
Right. Brown, ugly.
Those are not ugly. We don't get those pretty.
Yeah, we don't get these.
We don't get those at all.
So there's a little more orange on this side. So I'm going to stick this kind of back here.
I just love it. It's already looking so good if you didn't do anything else to it. It already looks so good. But I know you got lots more goodies.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
I think I got those from Hobby Lobby.
So your florals basically come from Hobby Lobby or Walmart.
Yeah, basically. Got another brown. Where should I put this brown?
I don't know. You're so good.
Just in here.
Just stick it in there. It'll be okay. That looks good though, like that.
Yeah.
That's a good filler. Really good. Love that. I wish we got leaves like that. I wish we got fall weather.
Oh, me too.
We have to go up north to get some fall.
We sure do. Okay, and now I just have some pumpkins. I have this white pumpkin.
I love the white pumpkins.
And I'm just gonna
kind of stick them in there, just wherever. Love it. Here we are decorating for fall and the air comes on.
Right.
I'll grab that for you. I love that color.
Me too. And I like mixing that color with the traditional fall colors. Some people just do the whites and the greens, but you can totally mix it. It looks so good.
I agree. Because everything in nature is like different colors.
Yeah.
It's not all one color.
Yeah. A little acorn.
Love.
See, this is where it gets tricky.
Oh yeah. But hey, that's perfect right there. Setting that little.
I might not use that. I have this little wicker pumpkin. So cute.
Love it.
I'll put one right here. And my little white pumpkin. Nice, stick it right there.
Perfect. Yeah.
Little acorn. You can go right there. So yeah.
Perfect. I love it. And then you're going to set it on your table with this beautiful little runner.
Yep.
It says Hello Fall.
Also have these little pieces of wheat just hanging out.
Oh yeah.
Just stick it in.
Just stick it anywhere. Any little scraps you find on the floor, just stick it in there to be
Right.
okay.
That's how I do it.
And that is absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to tell you my favorite part of the whole thing, this pumpkin right here.
I love that pumpkin.
I love it. It is so perfect. Great job. Great job.
Thank you. So I've been eyeing this piece at Hobby Lobby all year. I saw it at the beginning of spring and I had to have it, but it was $90 and I'm a good wife. So I'm not gonna spend $90 on one piece of wall decor. So I waited all year and I was like, it's gonna go on sale as soon as summer's over. So last week I found it 75% off and I got it for 20 bucks and it was originally 90. And here it is.
Oh my gosh. And where are you going to put it?
I'm gonna put it on my back porch. We're still kind of fixing things out there, trying to make it look pretty. So
Sarah, you are the luckiest person in the world.
it's so pretty.
You always find the best prices,
I know.
the best deals. I mean, I want your luck. Will you please touch me?
You just gotta look.
Now, today's video is not all about decorating. We have partnered together with a cool little giveaway.
Yes.
It's a Hobby Lobby gift card,
$50.
and she's going to tell you the rules.
Okay, it's not that confusing, but it sounds like a lot. So
All you have to do on my end, is make sure you're subscribed to my channel and leave a comment of your Instagram handle name and like the video.
yes.
On Instagram, you will go over, you will follow Sarah's page, Cottage on Jones. You will like the picture and tag a friend. We'll announce the winner on September the 3rd on Instagram on her account, at Cottage on
At
Jones.
Cottage on Jones. So
Does that make sense? Are y'all as confused as we are?
yeah, we don't even know.
All the information will be listed in the description
Yeah.
box and on her Instagram. All right, so now that we have that out of the way, and we really wish all of y'all luck. Oh, one other thing. For y'all that do not know how to comment
Yes.
on a YouTube video on a device like your iPhone or your iPad, we're gonna show you how to do that. Look, y'all, I did not know how to do that for a long time. I had to YouTube it. So I'm gonna take the camera down, bring it up close, and Sarah's gonna show you on her phone how you will comment on a video so you can enter.
Okay. So you're gonna go to Donna's channel, click a video, I'll just pause it, and the comments used to be all the way at the bottom, but now they changed it. It's right there. And you just add a public comment, and you're gonna type your Instagram handle. Cottage on Jones. That's it.
That's all
And you press
do.
send. There.
And that's all you do?
Yep.
Okay, now that we've got the giveaway information out of the way, which good luck to everybody. Now we're gonna take the camera down. I'm gonna follow Sarah around and she is gonna show us her fall decor. And if she's like me, this is pretty much how she plans it to stay, but
I'm probably gonna add more.
who knows? But if she adds a lot more, maybe we'll come back and do like a final home tour or something. But you're gonna get the most of it today. So, you ready?
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, this is my little china cabinet. It's like my little Ray Dunn cabinet. I used to have a lot more Ray Dunn, but I've kind of gotten out of it. So, this is it decorated for fall.
Love it. See some things like I have that you copied me, right?
I got this from Dollar General last year, and everybody was looking for them, so I'm surprised I was able to get my hands on it. I got this little plate from Dirt Cheap.
Wow.
I think. Got my little Ray Dunn mugs.
Love it.
I got these little pumpkins out of a set from Hobby Lobby. Ray Dunn, Ray Dunn. I got this pumpkin like, I don't know, 7 years ago from Dollar Store maybe. This is from the Dollar Store. This is probably from Hobby Lobby. Greenery's from Hobby Lobby. This is from the Dollar Tree. And just little pumpkins.
That's cute.
I think I got that from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. So yeah.
Love it.
Super simple. I just think it looks pretty, like with the glass closed.
I need that fall y'all cup.
It's very cute, ain't it? This is my foyer / dining room. And with this bench, I got this pillow. Where did I get this pillow? Kirkland's, you're right. I got it from Kirkland's. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Don't know where I got that pumpkin from. And I just put some little picks in there just to add some stuff to it. I got this little, it's actually a pick. I got that from Hobby Lobby. Just stuck it right there. And then of course,
The DIY.
the centerpiece.
Exactly. Love it.
I got the table runner from Hobby Lobby. And then over here is my favorite little corner.
Love it. This little section right here is my absolute favorite too.
Yeah,
if I
I
had
think
to
it just
say.
embodies my house as a whole.
Yes.
I got this little pillow from Ross, I think, last year. Pretty sure. I got this pumpkin from, I'm sorry, Hobby Lobby. I don't know where I get all this stuff from. And these little tags.
That wasn't on it?
No.
You
These
just
are from Hobby Lobby this year. I've never seen them before. And it comes in a set of 3. One says pumpkin, one says fall, one says harvest. And I just added to my little pumpkin.
I thought it'd come like that. That's awesome.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah, you did great.
Bath
Bath and Body Works candle, of course.
Yes, leaves, my #1 favorite. But this year it smells a little different.
Really?
Yeah. It smells a little musky.
I gotta love it.
It smells so good.
Smells like fall to me.
Be Thankful sign I got from Hobby Lobby. The sticks I got from Hobby Lobby. And then the sign I got from Hobby Lobby.
Wow. And then you just put a blanket and a pillow in the basket. I love it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Where are we going next?
I do have something in the kitchen I forgot about. So I created this little space the other night because I had this pumpkin pie sign, and I was like, that'd be so cute with a rolling pin. So I just gathered things around the house. I had this bead for a few years from Hobby Lobby, I think. I had this little glass jar from years ago. It had some lavender in it, but I took the lavender out and I put these.
That's another one of
And
those
this
little things.
another little tag. And I had this dish towel from Ross, I believe, and this pumpkin.
Love it. That is so cute in your kitchen. Good ideas. You can just actually, basically what you're saying is use things that you have.
Yeah, basically.
Perfect. Now into the living room?
Yeah.
So we're walking into the living room, and as you can see, the first thing we see, look at this. Does that not just look like fall? With her table, the blanket, little pumpkin over there. Does that light up?
Yeah,
Is that
it
one of
does.
those pumpkins that light up? And then, of course, cute pillows.
Yep.
You have the best pillows, I swear. All right, so where did you get that blanket? Let's start with that.
Funny story. So, like I said, I got rid of some of my Ray Dunn stuff. And this girl on Facebook, she was like, I'm wanting to trade somebody for some kitchen stuff for this blanket. And this blanket, it only costs like $25, but people have been selling it for like 65 to 80 bucks. So I was like, I'll trade you a cookie jar for it. So
is that where you were meeting the other day?
yeah. I met her like an hour away, but I just thought it was so cute.
I love it. It's perfect for your house. Yeah, I love the mustard color too.
Me too. And this arrangement I got from Walmart last year.
That's so cute too. Yeah, I love all those colors.
Those pumpkins I got from Hobby Lobby, of course. This pillow I got from Kirkland's a few years ago.
Love it.
And then back here
we have this beautiful old piano. Oh my gosh, I love it.
So I just threw the an old wreath and just put some fall colored stems in that jar, and that's it.
I mean, that's perfect. I mean,
yeah. And this is kind of a space that I'll probably add more to later on as I see stuff in the store. But yeah, that's it, I think. Oh, over there.
And the last spot you have is your entertainment center?
Yeah. So I got this plate from Ross, I think last year.
Yeah, remember we went shopping, we got it together.
Yeah, because Delana, she came in last night, she was like, I have that plate too.
Yeah, and I have the one that's oblong, remember?
Oh, yeah, I thought it'd be cute right there.
Perfect.
And then I got that little box from Hobby Lobby and just put some pumpkins in it. And that was another one of them wicker stems and a cute little sign.
Where'd you get that little sign? That's really cute.
Hobby Lobby, I think, yeah. And then, and the bottom pumpkin, it's like copper wire, and I just threw one of them little tags on it too.
Those are perfect. You know, had you not told us that those tags didn't come on it?
I just thought it added a little something more to the pumpkins. It's really cute.
It's perfect. All right, there you have it. She never disappoints with her decor.
Thanks.
Great job.
Thanks.
Be sure to go to the description section and look at all the rules, enter our little giveaway, and until next time, bye y'all.
Bye.